A middle school student in Weber County has taken on the opioid epidemic with her science fair project, and it's taken her all the way to Washington, D.C. ABC4's education correspondent Sarah Martin explains.
After one of her classmates died from an opioid overdose, Mercedes Rondon decided to try and help.
I think it's really cool to try to understand that and try to fix the problems that we have.
Mercedes developed a process to safely dispose of old drugs in your home using household items. The only problem was that as a 14-year-old, she couldn't perform tests on actual drugs.
I thought as an opioid-like substance, I thought that I could use caffeine because it's an alkaloid cell, which morphine, which opioids are made out of, is also an alkaloid cell.
Her idea is that each dose of opioids comes with a packet of activated carbon. When it's time to get rid of those drugs, you add them to the carbon, then just add vinegar and shake.
So the goal is that the vinegar is going to change the structure of the molecule, and then carbon is known to bind things. So when you add the carbon, it's going to permanently bind it so that it cannot be reactivated.
This past weekend, she competed in Washington, D.C. with other middle schoolers and won second place in engineering. But her research isn't over. When might we see her solution in our homes?
I'd have to partner with a corporation so I could engineer the packets. So ideally, I'd say a year to 2 years.
Just in time for her high school graduation. Reporting from Salt Lake City, I'm Sarah Martin, ABC4 News.